Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on discount. Many stores offer a discount so that they can attract customers. A discount represents a reduction in the marked price. Hence, the item can be bought for a cheaper price. Example 1. A dress has a marked price of $80. The store offers a discount of 20%. How much is the discount? What price is paid for the dress when the discount is subtracted from the marked price? So the answer, to find the discount, we go 20% of 80, which is 20 over 100 times 80 over 1. 20 times 80 is 1,600. 100 times 1 is 100. So 1,600 divided by 100 gives you $16. So $16 is the discount. So the discounted price will be $80 minus $16, and that's $64. Example 2. A ring has a marked price of $960. The store is offering a 25% discount. What is the discount? What is the actual purchase price when the discount is applied? So for the answer with respect to the discount, 25% of 960 is 25 over 100 times 960 over 1. Now 25 over 100 can be simplified to 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 times 960 over 1. 1 times 960 is 960, and 4 ones are 4. So 960 divided by 4 is $240. So that is the discount. The actual price paid is $960 minus the discount, which is $240, and that leaves you with $720, and that is what's paid at the end. So there's the price that you actually paid, because the discount's $240, so it's a lot cheaper than $960. So this video has shown two basic examples of how we apply discount, which means that we pay less money for the item we are buying.